Did you know there's a type of bread that actually explodes while baking? It's called Popovers, a special bread that rises super fast in the oven thanks to steam pressure. Instead of staying dense like regular bread, it puffs up dramatically, creating a hollow inside and a crispy golden crust on the outside. It looks almost like a bread balloon, and every bite is light, airy, and totally unique. A real kitchen surprise you didn't see coming. If you enjoyed this fun fact, make sure to subscribe for more amazing food curiosities.